In this video, I'll show you how to block websites permanently on Chrome browser. This video is only for educational purposes only. So open up your Chrome. I'm currently using my iPhone for this. Come on here, type in google.com. So tap on it. So it's going to open up. So scroll down, you're going to see settings down below. So tap on it. So you're going to see search settings. Tap on search settings. So this is going to come out. So you need to come on here from this save search option. Tap on it. You need to come on here and tap on the blur option. So it's going to help blur these images and all of this. So you can, this way I can be able to do this. So you can see tap on this more about save search. So this is it. So you can still go back. I'm going to show you what you need to do again. So you need to tap on this. You need to tap on the settings. You need to scroll down. You're going to see privacy and security. Tap on it. So you need to see browsing safety. That is safe browsing. Tap on it. Change it to the enhanced protection. Enhanced protection. So once you're done, tap on it. Everything is set for you. If you find this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.